Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to download TinyTask on mobile, so let's start. If you want to download TinyTask, you can go to the official page to download it first. So let's write on Google TinyTask and let's go to the first option that says TinyTask. Just click here, and as you can see here we have the option to download. This is the official place, is tinytask.net, and then we have here the updates and news, how to install it. It explains you step how you can do it, and if you want to download you can do it here and just click on download and you can download the version, or also you can go here and check the editor and version that you can download without any problem. You can go to exe or zip file. So that is how you can download TinyTask from official page. It's very easy to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.